My name is Santiago. I went to Brookstone my second grade year all the way to my 8th grade year. And those years were the most encouraging years of my life. Whenever I look back at the years in Brookstone, I was really encouraged to grow. You know, my teachers, my friends all around me, people all around me, you know, my middle school teachers especially. Those years were really growth encouraging for me. I met Bill through the lunch buddy program at Brookstone my second grade year. I vividly remember the whole experience with Mr. Bill. They pulled me aside to the library, and for some reason, I thought that I was in trouble. So I was really nervous, but then he came through the door and he introduced himself as Bill, and he's gonna be my lunch buddy and stuff like that. And we just hit it off right there, and he's been a great friend of me.
Santiago impressed me from the very beginning. He was very outgoing. He was a joyful child at that age, and very inquisitive, very interested in what I was doing, and just a great conversationalist. We just hit it off, and it was really easy. I wanted to become a lunch buddy because I was at a point in my career where I had time on my hands, and we used to always preach where I worked that you got your time, your talent, and your treasure. And that's your ability to give all those in varying degrees at different stages of your life. And frankly, up until then, I hadn't had the time. Now I had the time, and I had some good friends that were already volunteering, and they told me about it, and immediately I thought, I think that's the place for me.
Mr. Bill, he means a lot to me. He's helped me throughout these last couple of years, beyond Brookstone, even with high school, I would always look forward to meeting him. We sort of had like a little schedule. Tuesdays and Thursdays were the days where he would come. So I would always be excited, and he was just a guy that I could talk to. I would talk about things that were passionate to me. He's had a great impact on my life. He's inspired me, to go out beyond of what I think I can do with school and high school. The school I currently attend right now, Cannon, is a school that prepares me for college, but Mr. Bill helps me look beyond those things. Possible jobs that I could have, ways I can intern and possible interests and stuff like that.
Cuando llegamos aquí, mi preocupación fue la escuela, la educación. Y fue difícil ajustarse. No sabe inglés, pues él no sabe inglés. Y fue difícil. Entonces una hermana de la iglesia nos dijo de Brookstone, cuando él tenía como 7 años. Y cuando llegué a Brookstone, nos recibieron con los brazos abiertos. Y los profesores siempre fueron ese apoyo, ese oído amigo, esa red para mis hijos y para nosotros como padres. Bill, él es, como yo le digo a ustedes, él dice, yo soy el tío, yo soy su tío, yo los apoyo. Pero él hace más que eso. Él camina esa milla extra con nosotros. Y siempre se lo voy a agradecer. Mr. Bill es como un ángel, pues. O sea, él no tiene la obligación. Pero ha estado ahí, con él. Inspirándolo, que las situaciones pueden cambiar.
Santiago's accomplishments, one, he skipped a grade. He was a straight A student here. He's done phenomenally well at Cannon, which is a private school. And on the football team, he's been starting for 2 years. He had the highest GPA of anybody on the football team, and I think it was literally like a 397 on a 4 scale. So he's a very, very intelligent child. Santiago to me is almost like a nephew. He's just a joy to be around. He's always up. He's a great brother. He loves his mother dearly. He's just a success in every sense of the word, and I am really proud of him. It's one of the most fulfilling things in my life. This place, I don't want to overplay it, but we're saving people's lives here. And it's not just the child, it's the whole family. And you're getting this great spiritual foundation, this great educational foundation. You're learning things for how to operate, in society in general, that you just don't get all that, unfortunately, too often in a traditional public school these days. You touch a child's life in a little bit, you help them move along, you have a few laughs with them, and you just leave here feeling like your purpose in life just bumped up a notch.